Hello friends, welcome back to another look at how I quilted this new quilt pattern called Glory Days by Sew Cherished. This next block has a lot of details, like all these little leaves to go around. And as you know, I love to plan all of my designs to be as continuous as possible. So before I started quilting this block, I decided which background filler design I was going to use. This way, as I'm quilting around the applique, I can also insert the filler design as I go. Now at the end of this video, you will see a finished picture of this block. I felt the watering can needed a little more quilting, as did one of the other pots on a different block, so I added a feather to fill in the space. Just like on the other blocks, I used Sew Fine thread number 512 for all the stitching. Have you ever quilted around wool applique? What did you find most challenging? Just leave a comment below and be sure to watch part 4 for more machine quilting inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you don't miss the next video coming out soon.